In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Steam wallet. First, open Steam. You can launch the desktop app if you have it installed, or head to the Steam website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account since wallet funds are tied to a single profile and can't be transferred later. If you're on the app, give it a second to sync. On the website, confirm you're on the secure Steam domain before continuing. Next, navigate to your wallet page. Look to the top right of Steam and click your username. From the drop-down, choose Account Details. On that page, find and click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. This takes you to the Wallet Top-Up area where you'll see your current balance and the currency associated with your region. If you're using a smaller window or mobile view, these options may be tucked behind a menu, but the wording is the same. Now choose the amount you want to add. Steam typically shows preset amounts you can select with one click. Pick the option that matches what you need today. Remember, Steam Wallet funds act like store credit. They don't expire and they can be used on games, DLC, software, and many in-game purchases across titles that support the Steam checkout. After selecting an amount, choose your payment method. You can pay with a credit or debit card, using the card details that match your billing info. In many regions, you can also use PayPal. Availability depends on your country and account settings. If you have a Steam gift card or a wallet code, you can redeem it here as well. Just follow the on-screen prompt associated with that option. For cards and PayPal, make sure your payment method supports online purchases and that your region settings match to avoid declines. To finish up, review the summary, tick the agreement box to accept Steam's terms, and click Purchase. In most cases, the funds are added to your wallet instantly once the payment is approved. You might briefly see a bank or card verification step. That's normal. When it's complete, look to the top right of Steam to confirm your new wallet balance has updated. You'll also receive a confirmation in your account's purchase history, and a receipt may be sent to your email for your records. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to Account Details, add funds, select how much, choose how you want to pay, and confirm. Enjoy your new balance and happy gaming.